Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to access Mojo Playground. So as you can see, I have mentioned the steps. That steps also I'm going to add that in the description. The first step is we'll go to official website. Click on that. It will take us to official website. It is official website for Mojo programming language. There we can see that documents, blogs, and everything. And here we can see that get started, right? Click on that. So it will take us to registration form. And here we have to fill the details: first name, last name, and email ID. That email ID might be your personal mail ID. I mean, they will provide that products of interest. There you can see engine and Mojo, hardware integration, and modular compute platform. And they're going to have company name. As of now, you can add a dummy company name. As you wish, you can add dummy. So here they will ask size of the company. Then I'm going to select less than 150, and the product. Industry. We have to select. I'm going to select computer science, computer software something, and I'm gonna submit that. I mean, they will provide the confirmation into our mail, and they will take 1 or 2 days to verify our registration. I have registered few days back, so I am able to access the playground. There you see, right? There you can see that welcome to Mojo Playground, and click on that access Mojo Playground. It will take time to load that playground. Once the playground is open, they have provided some notebook document. How to write a program, and how to declare the variables and variables, and some of the document they're gonna say that there is. So there you can check that if you are interested. I mean, let me write a program, hello world program in Mojo. Open that notebook. Let me write our first program. Print. Mojo is a superset of Python programming language, so there might be similar kind of syntax and similar kind of property would has been implemented in Mojo also. Hello world. I'm going to run that. Yeah, there you see, right, that output hello world. And finally we have executed our first hello world program in Mojo. Thank you all. Bye, see you in the next video.